Hello friends, welcome to the GenAI Skills Academy. I'm Larry Maguire. On this channel, you're going to learn how to use tools such as ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, Gemini, and other primary generative AI tools. Going to show you how to use second level tools like Perplexity, like Notion, to become more productive and creative in your work. Whether you work for somebody else, whether you run a business, whether you're just looking to learn these skills yourself for your own career, I'm going to show you step by step, walk you through the process of setting up your accounts inside the likes of ChatGPT, inside Claude, and Gemini, and so on, to get the best out of these tools. Most people use these tools like search engines, but that's like using your iPhone to just send texts. There are massive capabilities that these tools have, and if you can get these skills under your belt, you're going to position yourself in your career for further advancement, greater efficiency and productivity, and so on. I've been teaching these generative AI skills since 2023, when a colleague and myself built the first GenAI Skills program here in Ireland. We rolled this out to small and medium businesses, large businesses as well. We help them develop the skills they need to grow and develop and to be up to speed and to be competitive in this technologically advanced workplace. We also been delivering this to educators as well, working with various universities around the country. So my colleague and I have the skills to deliver them to you, to help you to develop them in yourself. And if you like the sound of that, hit the subscribe button, join this school. The link is below, school.com, to learn the GenAI skills you need to succeed. My background, although I'm a work psychologist by profession, my background has been in technology and engineering since I was 15. I've always had a love for gadgets and technology. My main work has been in systems integration, lighting controls, home automation, using software to become more efficient and so on. And I love this stuff. I'm interested in it. I love getting my hands dirty. And I'm also a lecturer and teacher. So I can help take this sometimes complex topic and make it, deliver it in such a way that you can adopt it and easily execute these skills, such as prompting, such as using tools to integrate using APIs, to do tasks for you that are traditionally laborsome and slow and so forth. So if you like the sound of that, if you want to learn how to use generative AI in your work, in your business, hit subscribe below. The link to the GenAI Skills Academy school is below as well. You can get more stuff there on a regular basis, daily in fact. So I hope to see you there. Learn these skills, position yourself well in your work, and get ahead of the game. All right. Hope to see you on the inside. Thanks for watching.